All right. Somewhere in this giant construction yard is the next Oh, well, this is a little too easy. Why did I say that?
Out of my way!
Juggernaut. Yeesh, could things get any worse? I did it again, didn't I?
Give up, Juggernaut. Silver Sable's on your tail.
Get lost!
Not a chance, Marco. My wild pack can track your every move. And for the bounty that's on your head, we follow you to the ends of the earth.
I think I'll just let them play through. All I care about right now is that frag... Oh, come on! Juggy must have picked it up somehow, and he's probably too stupid to even realize it. Can't let Sable take him in before I get that fragment. All right, Spidey, think. Sable said something about tracking him. Ah. This'll buy me a little alone time with Juggy.
All units! Juggernaut is moving fast to the east! Don't let him get away!
Great! Now it's just him and me.
You!
Great! Now it's just him and me.
Once I get started, nothing can stop me.
Oh, is that why they call you the Juggernaut? I totally get it.
Here is your chance when he smashes the ground.
Give up! You can't possibly stop me! Stop bugging me! Blasted nuisance! You can't hide forever! Stop being such a wuss! Ramming speed! You think this'll stop me? You want a piece of this? Out of my way, little man! Make me laugh! Blasted nuisance! Change of plan. I can do this all day! You think this'll stop me? You think this'll stop me? You can't hide forever! Out of my way, little man! You look a little run down! Out of my way, little man! You're gonna be roadkill!
Okay, laughing boy. Now hold still while I deliver the coup de grace.
I hate French food!
No, coup de grace! It means, like...
It means you're out of here!
Well, I guess that's one interpretation.
Spider-Man! What a pleasant surprise! There's a nice little yacht I've had my eye on, and the bounty on your head should just about cover the cost.
I see where this is going. Me versus a lot of guys with guns, am I right?
Attention all units! You have a new secondary target, Spider-Man!
This is working out exactly the opposite of perfectly.
You want to try coming this way? Be my guest.
Not my best idea.
This is what you're trained for!
And some for you.
No hitting!
Come on! Can any of you stop this guy?
I'm not afraid of dumb bug. Come on, kill him! Just for you! Don't let him escape!
That was the best you could do.
Over there! Spider-Man!
Bad guy, corner pup.
Shoot him, now!
Not only being shot at to put a crimp in your webbing.
He's too fast!
Take that! Did you
Juggernaut is coming in fast from the east. Bravo 1, cover me. We'll finish Spider-Man later.
Whew, I thought they'd never leave.
Out of my way, Runs!
For the gate! It's Juggernaut!
And you're going down the hard way!
This is Bravo 2, Juggernaut's army. Need assistance! Repeat, need assistance!
So, just us, huh?
Spider-Man's still a target! Get him!
Oh, come on, really?
Out space! Nail him! Get him! Keep hold of him!
There's no misunderstanding. I paid my library funds. Take this, yo! Here's some for you. Yikes! Duck and cover. Here's some for you. Take that! Ah, I get it. Being killed hurts. Bam! Now how do I get out of here?
Stop following me, wall crawler!
Says the guy as he makes an opening. I believe it was Goethe who said, "He who jealously guards his fears secretly yearns to bring them about." Either him or Irving Forbush.
You're dead! Come here, you little web-faced idiots!
Shoot at it! Shoot!
Talking me!
You're really not very good at this whole hitting me thing, are you?
Some of this?
Here he is again. I guess he's being spider scared. Get back here.
Steal you, Spider-Man. Keep him down.
Boo! There's been a misunderstanding. I paid my library funds.
Afraid of me, insane. I can't slow it down.
I want this quick destiny. Let's go.
And some for you.
Pull up your arms and legs, Bugman.
Who's having a good time? Raise your hand. Not only being shot at, but a crimp in your webbing. Here's some for you.
Fall back. We need more reinforcements.
Nah, I was just getting started.
Stay sharp. You ever seen him loose once? 3 years before. Saw him take down the Shaka. He's fast, man. You gotta keep your eye on him.
Spider-Man! We've been waiting!
Sorry, I'm late. Traffic sucks. Ah, get it. Being killed hurts. Yikes! Duck and cover. Ah, get it. Being killed hurts.
Get out of here!
Take that.
Watch him! Watch him like a bug! Get out of here!
Here's some for you.
Watch him like a bug! I can't! Back to north!
Whoa, get me out of here.
Jump him!
Ah, I get it. Being killed hurts. Whoa, get me out of here.
Take him down!
This is not what I foresaw.
You're coming with us. Hey, he's right there. Web slinger. Get him.
Take that!
Stop him. Get him.
Get it, being killed hurts.
Out, not the base.
Take that! Here's some for you. Say uncle! Next. There's been a misunderstanding. I paid my library funds.
Hold him, man, and I'll pound him.
I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it.
Get him. Keep hold of him. Not afraid. Get back here.
See ya! Nothing like being shot at to put a crimp in your webbing. Take that!
Spider-Man!
What? Where? Oh, you mean...
Somebody take him out! Go on, hit him! Wild bird!
Let's just say you've got something I need. First come, first served! I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it. Victory! See ya! Wouldn't want to be
in the universe after all.
That was the best you could do? Something I said? Yikes! Ooh, is this a private fight or can I join? Yikes! Duck and cover! Thanks for playing.
This guy just won't go down.
Take that!
How do you escape?
I win again! Stop hitting your face with my fist.
Hey, Juggernaut, I got something for you. You're boxed in, Marco. There's no way out.
Then I'll make one.
Jeez, not often you see a guy pick a fight with a building and win.
Man, did you see that? He brought down the whole building.
Be impressed on your own time. After him!
Sounds like they're going my way. Maybe I can snag a ride.
Jeez, look at him go.
One guy did that. One guy.
Dude, he's a wrecking ball.
Get over it. Bravo 4, what's his location?
He's headed west, towards the building under construction.
That's the Encore building. Go, go!
Hey, there. And the building on top there.
Uh-oh.
Bravo 3, Spider-Man is on the other side of your chopper. Repeat, Spider-Man is on the other side of your chopper.
That's my cue to boogie. Thanks for the ride, guys.
Secondary target acquired. I have visual on Spider-Man.
You have a visual on your face? Yeah, that sounded better in my head. How am I gonna get through that mess? Well, maybe if I help one of those workers, they can help me.
Run away like a pug. He's in sight. Don't let him escape.
Is that him?
I so want to pull off your arms and legs, Bugman. Get down there! Go, go, go!
More of you guys? How many of you to single down? Seriously, did she buy you in bulk? Is there a wholesale mart for ineffectual henchpersons?
I don't want to get shot. Hit him again. Over there, Spider-Man. Cover me. Stop shooting! I'm a good guy!
See ya!
Down now! Hey, somebody give me a shooting gallery! Take him down now!
That looked like it hurt. That looked like it hurt.
I'm getting paid enough for this!
Whoa! That was the best you could do?
I don't need my union card this much! Hey, Spider-Man, help me out!
Sure, but I need help turning off those burning pipes.
I can do that, but you gotta turn off all 3 pipes at the same time!
Okay, now what?
Now you need 2 other workers.
Is this like a union thing?
Help me! Get me out of here!
I'll give you a hand, but I need your help with something.
Okay. It's not dangerous, is it?
No, not really. I know, my skill set includes simple math.
Reinforcements now!
Spider-Man, am I glad to see you?
I need your help with something, okay?
Yeah, sure, whatever you need. Hey, do I get to spin some webs?
No.
Okay, well, whatever you need. You just name it.
Good to go now.
Finally, I should be glad there weren't 8 burning pipes.
Good work.
Take him down! Spider-Man! Target is in sight. Get out of here! Wethead. Stupid spider!
Juggernaut's been spotted at the Oscorp building. All units, engage! It's
Gotta reach Juggernaut before Sable's thugs blast him and the fragment to pieces.
moving on him. What's he doing? Shake him! Shake him again! Here we go! Look out!
No! That's it. I'm ending this. Now. Yikes! Can I have your autograph?
Again with you! You're not gonna catch me!
Wait, what about my autograph?
Stick it in your web!
Better put some hustle in my bustle. That's why I carry a bustle around with hustle.
You can't keep up with me. You just don't shut up, do you?
Anybody want a piece?
Booyah! Come here, Runt. Time to scrape you off my shoe once and for all. Wreck you! Wreck you! Quit your buzzing, butt boy! Wreck you! Quit your buzzing, butt boy! Wreck you!
Let's get a good look at that gorgeous mug.
No!
Don't be so bashful. With a little makeup, you could really be quite average here.
Still fighting? Take a good look. It's gonna be last. That's not gonna save you. I'm the Juggernaut, remember? Once I start moving, nothing can stop me.
That's what I'm counting on. What if you start moving down? This is gonna be a bumpy ride.
Let this copter now! We're going in! It'll be a miracle if either of them survived that.
Ta-da! This might be my only chance. Gotta get my hands on that fragment before he finds it.
Hey, what's this glowing thing?
Yeah, crumbs.
I'm even more powerful than before!
Are you also nicer? No, I guess not.
That's what I'm talking about! Ah! don't want to get hurt, you better stand aside! I've had enough of this. Come out and play! Don't think so. I don't think so. You getting tired yet? Blasted nuisance! You can't hide her!
Excellent. Now hurry back, Spider-Man. There is still much to do.